airport getting Starbucks.
I don't like
We are in Atlanta. Hi. And then we're gonna get on the flight to Costa Rica. Very excited. We made it. We're out here in Costa Rica, baby. Just chilling in this van in Costa Rica, baby. Good morning. We're here. I'll show you a tour of our house. Okay, so we're outside. We have this table that we can eat some stuff at. There's all these doors, little chairs. Hang on. 1 minute. Then we have some more chairs to sit and chill, some laying down chairs. And then here she is, the pool. So I'll take you on a little tour. We got some palm trees, some little flowers looking good. The pool, of course. I think it's a saltwater pool. And then, so that's, it's just kind of like our own little pool. Then we have some chairs over here so we can lounge and tan by the pool. Some more flowers. This is really pretty. I like the palm trees. And this is the whole back of our house. And then over here, I think we have a little shower because it is saltwater pool. So I think if we want to do that, and then we have a little table, and then there's like a little path back here. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a big bug. Hello. It's like little stuff back here. I don't know, plants. I don't have shoes on, so I'm not gonna. Here are my feet. Ew, my bark tan. I'm not gonna go exploring, but maybe later. Yeah, the plants are really pretty. You could definitely take some cute little pics of the gram out here. Like, this is so tropical and pretty. So, ooh, look at that. Look at that shot. Ugh, so pretty. Yeah, I'll show you the rest of the house. I'll go inside and then I'll show you. Okay, so I'm in the front of the house right now. We have our little gates. And then we have some pretty plants out here as well. We have some flowers, palm trees, all that. And then, bam, welcome to our crib. So here's our little snazzy rental car we copped for this trip. I like the outside of the house, these little, I don't know what they're called, these little thingies. And then the orange. I got some more plants. Plants are so nice. We got some palm trees. And then look at this doorway. Like, that's pretty. So we have this like grand entrance type deal. Let me let you in. Hey, welcome to my crib. So let's shut the door. We got some little things right here. There's me chilling. Ooh, I didn't even notice. This is pretty. The cute little things. That's when you walk in. Then you walk in. There's all these doors. It's like a whole wall of doors. Grant's chilling. He's watching some of the Spanish TV. We got a little tapestry going. Some couches and stuff. And then if you go this way, we have our like dining room table. And then the kitchen. The kitchen's really pretty. There's bar stools. And then, you know, classic kitchen. I really like the colors. I like the backsplash and the island tile. That's really pretty. So then, yeah, the pool's out there. Already showed you. And then I'm gonna do a little go around this corner. We have a bathroom. Cute, pretty, tropical. And then in here, this is where I'm sleeping. We have some beds, another bed, some closets, whatnot, you know, the usual. another bathroom in here. Another bedroom in here. I'll show you this one. Has a bathroom and then just a bedroom. It's just a standard, you know, whatever. There's me. Then if you go all the way to the other side of the house, you have this little guy, this little buddy. This is the garage. Laundry room. There's my mom. Oh, hello. This little tapestry, they're cute. I think it's vibe. And then in here, you go in. This is my favorite bathroom. This is the one my mom has, but look at the shower. It is so big. Like, you get you just a little, like, wow. And yeah, the rest of the bathroom, some mirrors, whatever. I like this, like, patterned tile. I think that's pretty. And then big old closet, but we're not really using it. We're just kind of throwing our suitcases in there. And then this is pretty. There's curtains, this little wardrobe thing with towels, and then the bed. I really like this canopy. It was nicer yesterday before people slept in it, but it's still pretty. So yeah, this is the last bedroom. That's our little house tour. It's really cute, really Costa Rican. And yeah, can't wait. I'll keep you updated on what we do today.